Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So directly starting the program, clicking on file, new file, and then I'll just print program to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. It's very simple with the help of for loop, but here I want to use the range function. Now firstly, what is a range function? A range function is an inbuilt function of Python. Now actually this function is inbuilt. Now this function generates a list which is a sequence type. Okay. A sequence is a succession of values bound together by a single name. General syntax, I'll show you what it is. This is the general syntax of range function. And the range, that means in brackets we will write n, means numbers, generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n minus 1. Now what this means, that range generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n minus 1. That means it will take the number from where we start, like this is the number, from here it will start, and at the end whatever number is written, it will take one number less. That means if I have written 10 here, it will take the number still 9. I think it will be better when I will go ahead with the tutorial. So directly I will continue. So I will start with the for loop. For n1, that means n1 is a variable I have taken in range. Now I am using the range function. Bracket start. I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Now just now I explained that it takes from 0 to n minus 1. So 0 to n minus 1 means that means the first number it will take before comma, whatever number I am giving it will start from there, and the end number whatever I will take, it will take one number less. It will iterate, means it will loop one time less to that number. So just suppose I am writing here 10, that means it will print till 9 only. I will show you. And here suppose I will use the print command, print n1. One thing I have done it wrong, here I have to put double colon, then this indentation will be there. Now I will use the print command, print n1, and then I will click on file. Although this program is not correct, it will print till 9, but I just want to explain you. File, save, then desktop, students, printing 1 to 10 using for loop. So although it will print till 9 only, press F5 function key, and you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till number 9 it has printed. Again I will go to the bottom of taskbar, again I will go to the program. Now here I hope you understood that why I was using 0 to n minus 1. So this 10, it's just going till 9 times, that means 9 times it has moved in a rotation. So here simply I'll use 11, file and save. Now it will do what I was wanting to do, means wanting to print 1 to 10. So now I'll press F5 key, and you could see here it is printing the numbers from 1 to 10. I hope you are clear with the program, and if you like my explanation, then please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care. Meet you soon in my next tutorial.